as a freelancer, as a business owner, or the most important skill that you should have is actually marketing. But, diba? It's how to sell. So, it's how to sell. Napaka-importante niya. If hindi kayo marunong bumenta, you have to know at least, right, a thing or two about this one. So, a successful freelancer or business owner should know how to market themselves or their products or services. So, marketing is just actually, okay, so marketing, ang aspects nun are selling, negotiating, convincing, diba? Nandun yun lahat, the concept ng marketing. So, according to dictionary.com, yung marketing daw is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including yung mga market research mo and yung mga advertising. So, as I've said, as a digital marketing strategist, I'm an end-to-end marketing strategist because it encompasses everything para sa isang business. And as I've said, marketing is present in all stages of business. Hindi lang siya nasa umpisa. Okay? Hindi lang din siya nasa dulo or nasa gitna. It's from beginning to end. So I want you to understand that as the life of a successful freelancer or business owner, nandun yung marketing. Okay? You're not even aware na yung ginagawa mo pala is already marketing. And we will touch that, those things along dito sa series natin. And of course, marketing is present na actually siya. Simula pa nung bata tayo. Bakit? So nung bata tayo, di ba? We ask our parents na, "Ma, gusto ko ng ganito. Gusto ko ng ganyan." Tapos di ba tatanungin ka, kailangan mo yan? Para saan? Ma, kasi ganito, ganyan. Christmas party namin sa wala akong bagong damit. Baka tawanan ako ng mga kaklase ko. Like ako, naalala ko nung bata ako. Kasi I'm a varsity player sa table tennis. So, I asked my mom, sabi ko, "Ma, kailangan ko ng bagong shoes." Ganon, I saw something sa Nike. Ganon. Tapos, it was expensive that time. Because I live in a small town, tapos lahat ng mga parang ganun na shoes is mahal. So, in reality, nasa 3,000 lang siya, pero parang nagiging 4,000 siya pag dumating dun sa, town namin. So, sabi ng mom ko, "Bakit mo yan kailangan? May shoes ka pa naman eh." So, sabi ko, "Ma, kailangan ko ng mas magandang shoes kasi para mas makapag-move ako properly." Ganon. So, di ba? Kino-convince ko yung mom ko. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, "Ma, pag hindi mo ito binili, baka hindi ako manalo. Mahihirapan ako. Sasakit yung pa." So, kahit na inisip na namin ko na hindi ko naman siya talaga essentially kailangan, binili pa rin niya. So, that's also marketing na ginagawa mo ng bata ka. Di ba? And other things, ano ba? Marketing is also, selling yourself is also present. For example, you're a guy and you wanted to court this certain girl that you really like. Diba? So, you're doing a marketing of selling yourself then because you wanted to make a good impression, not only to the girl, but also to the girl's families. You're also marketing yourself. So, yeah, as I was saying, marketing is ever present sa life natin. Even simula bata pa tayo hanggang sa matanda na tayo. So, I want you to understand na, hey, don't be intimidated by selling or marketing yourself. Kasi it's all there. Nandyan siya eh. But what we're trying to do here in freelancing and business is we're trying to touch that skill na nasa sayo na. And then we're trying to improve that one. Alright? So yeah, as I've said, remember this. The question is not, if I am a salesperson, Margaret, how can I market myself effectively? Hindi naman ako salesperson. No, it's not the question. As I've told you earlier, marketing is ever present sa life natin. The question should be this. How can I improve this skill that I already have and use it in my profession or business? Diba? So that should be your question. Not the, hindi ako salesperson, hindi ako makaka-market myself. It should be, ano yung gagawin ko para ma-improve ko yung self ko? Ma-improve ko yung marketing skill ko na meron na ako actually. Hindi ko lang alam. Diba? Alright, so that's why we have this series for you. And bakit napaka-importante ng marketing for every freelancer and business owner? Kasi ganito, the client doesn't know what they know, right? Of course, simple. Hindi talaga nila alam ano hindi nila alam. For example, may problema sila, hindi nila alam may solusyon yung problema nila, na ikaw makakabigay ng solusyon nun. Diba? They're not aware of that. Second is they don't even know what they want until you tell them. For example, sa mga website designers, We also do the website design dati sa agency. Well, until now, ginagawa namin yung website design kasi nagiging kasali na siya sa SEO writing and etc. Kasi we have to write the content of the website na based sa mga SEO, best practices, etc. etc. So, yung mga client, most of the time, hindi nila alam ano yung gusto nilang design. Kaya nga nagbibigay ka ng mock-ups. Kumukuha ka ng marketing description or marketing brief sa kanila, ano yung mga iniisip nila, and then you create mock-ups for that. Okay? They don't even know what they want until you tell them. And then yung pinadala mo yung mock-up na yun and suggestion mo, they realize, oh, this is what I want. This is what I need. Alright? And part of it is for you to convince them that that's what they want. Clients don't even know what's causing their problems. So yun, hindi nila alam na dahil ganito yung problema nila kasi ganito yung ginagawa nila. Alright? And you're actually there to convince them that, hey, this is the root cause of your problem and here I am, I'm going to fix that. Alright? That's why you have to position yourself as their trusted strategist or trusted advisor, counselor, ano bang gusto mo itawag sa self mo. It's like you're positioning yourself as the expert because clients has preconceived notions. Okay? The day and age ngayon, ang hirap talaga mag-market kasi bakit? For example, sa akin as a course creator about freelancing and digital marketing. Madaming naysayers, di ba? Ba't ako maniniwala kay Margaret? Ba't po, bibili yung course niya na Super Freelancers Course? Ganun. Pwede naman ako manood sa YouTube. Pwede ko naman makita yan sa mga vlogs or whatever. Ang dami na ng preconceived notions. It's the same with the marketing. It's the same with the freelancing. Bakit po i-hire si Margaret? So that's why papasok yung proper marketing strategy mo at the first thing. And as I've said kanina, marketing is everything. It's ever present from beginning to end. Lahat siya ng ginagawa mo as a service-based provider or a business owner, kasali doon yung marketing. The problem now is you're being turned into a commodity because everyone looks the same. So everyone looks like Margaret dito sa course creator industry. So what's your difference ba? Diba? For example, I'm a social media manager. Pare-pareho na sila ng templates na ginagamit. Yung mga nude, kahit saan ka pumunta, pare-pareho sila ng ginagamit.